How to gift a Claude AI subscription. If you want to give someone access to Claude's premium features, you can send them a digital gift code in just few clicks. Claude lets you purchase a subscription as a gift, and the recipient can redeem it whenever they are ready. So here's how to gift a Claude AI subscription. All you have to do, you want to click on your profile at bottom left corner, and simply you want to click on Gift Claude. Now you will get option. You can choose the plan which you want to gift. So you have Pro, you have Max 5 and Max 20. So I will go with the Pro. After that, you want to choose how many months you want to like gift. So you can choose from 1 month to 1 year. So let's say I will choose 1 month. Then you can see the total amount of the money you need to pay. So now click next. And now you want to personalize your gift. So you can pick a color of the gift. So you can see you can make it like blue. You can send it with an email or get a link to share. So I'm gonna go with the email. I'm gonna type the recipient name over here. Also his email. You can add your name, so I can make it like John, and now we can add the gift note. You can also change your email from which you are sending the gift. And then you want to click on checkout. Now you have to pay it. After you filled all your credentials, like your name, your credit card, we can pay it. So I'm gonna click on pay now at the bottom of the screen. And now we should be able to gift our Claude subscription. So you can see your gifts on the way, and the recipient should receive this gift on his email you added here. So now if you go to the email, you will see that John sent you a gift, claudePro, and to claim it, you just have to redeem your gift. And this is going to redirect him to Claude page, where if he clicks redeem now, it's going to redeem him a Claude Pro 1 month of subscription, okay? So you are all set now, he can start using the Claude Pro plan, and that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.